Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. Have you ever wanted to delete your Google account? Maybe you're switching to a new one or you simply don't need it anymore. In this video, I will show you the fast way to delete your Google account forever. First, open Gmail. At the top, click on the circle, then on Manage your Google account. At the top, tap the search bar and type Delete Google account. Then delete your Google account. Google will ask you to verify your identity by entering your password. If you forget your password, no problem. Go back to your Google account setting and choose Change Password. Then click on Forget Password and Next. Here you can create a new one. Once you've created a new password, return to the Delete Google account page and enter your new password. After verification, Google will show you exactly what will happen when your account is deleted. Deleting your Google account removes your emails, Google Drive files, Google Photos, calendar events, and access to servers like YouTube, Google Play, and other Google apps connected to that account. Scroll down and check the confirmation boxes and tap delete account. And that's it. Your Google account has been deleted. If you need to create a new one, check out this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more. And if you have any question, leave them in the comments below. And thanks for watching.